VQ ratio decreases from apex to the base of a lung, that is more at the apex than the base. So if you see this lung and the patient is standing position due to the gravity, perfusion is more at the base as well as the ventilation, but when you compare both, the perfusion is lot higher than the ventilation. At the apex of a lung, both decreases, but comparatively perfusion is more decreased. As you see in this graph, in the apex of a lung, both decreases, but perfusion is more decreased than the ventilation. And at the base, the perfusion is very high when compared with ventilation. And the VQ ratio is increased at the apex and slowly decreases towards the base. Just put some numbers, you will understand. Thank you.